Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Welcome to the FirstCry kitchen. Today we are going to make pumpkin puree. All you're going to need is a pumpkin. First, you need to cut the pumpkin and remove the seeds. Pumpkins are full of vitamin C, great for immunity and good for digestion. Cut the pumpkin into cubes. And then wash the pumpkin well. Then steam the chopped pumpkin cubes and cook for about 15 minutes. Once you're done with that, blend well and make sure no lumps remain. And then serve lukewarm. There you go, healthy and delicious pumpkin puree.